I am with the one, the only, the legendary Tip. He's gonna tell us a little bit about this convertible.
Oh, you know, it's just red and shiny and 1990 Cabernet. I won this car in a Waffle.
Yep.
Of all things, I picked the last 2 spots that they had, and they picked my number.
That's oh my gosh, that's Chris, Infamous Project.
What?
Oh, brother. And he was the last person to choose a spot.
I was looking at it.
So it had just stock 16-inch ponies on it. I put up a poll. I was like, my 18-inch Corvettes or wires.
Yep.
It was a 55-45 split.
Okay.
And well, I ended up putting the Corvettes on, but I was just temporarily until the wires came in. So did a quick little swap around yesterday.
I saw that.
And man, it's looking good.
Stand a chance if I play fair.
Wheel swap complete over here.
I love it. I love it. And then you cut the coils too, right? Like stuff like that.
So the front was like already at this height when I got the car.
Okay.
And then the rear I actually chopped a little bit more out of just to get it flush.
Okay. Okay. Right on.
But stock otherwise, man. Stock exhaust. Like it's KYB shocks and struts, which I hate. So those got to get swapped out. But like no performance. Like the silencer is still in the Thunder.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
Oh, God. So it's slow, but it looks good.
Yeah, but it looks good.
Looks good. So the menace to society look, it actually grew on you. Take it, yeah.
Man, that was what made me want a Fox.
Oh, serious?
Yeah. So I saw that movie in what, 93, 94.
That's your generation, honestly.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Like I wasn't supposed to be watching the movie then, so I was only 14 or whatever it would have been. But I was like, man, I love it. I absolutely love it. So I always wanted to do it. And when I got that last silver one, it really like just grew on me. Because I have my own other style of big wheels and slam down, but this is just sweet.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
It's not different in Cali, but it's different like everywhere else.
It's different in Texas.
Absolutely. Yeah, man, I'm thinking, man, maybe I'll get some swangers next, get some elbows and get the spokes poking.
Oh, Lord. Right on, man.
Man, they're just wheels. It's like some people get upset, man. It's like, man, like I swapped these out yesterday.
Yeah.
These came in at 11 a.m. I was rolling at 1 p.m. All done.
Yeah.
It's like, you know what? I don't like it, swap them.
Yeah. It's like tennis shoes, man. Just exactly. All right, Tip. Appreciate you, brother.
Yeah, man. Absolutely. Have a good one. Enjoy the show.
Thank you. You too, man.
I had to follow. I had to speak up. Only in Sao Paulo. Ain't got a beach house, but got a penthouse.
I've still been very busy in other places. So here we are with the 1991 Wild Strawberry Dutch Hatch, the 1987 Mustang GT, the yellow Dutch Coupe, twin turbo 89 Coyote Swap Notch, the 1993 Cobra Theft Recovery, what I've nicknamed the Shipbox Fox, hasn't run in 10 years. Can't wait to see what this is gonna look like. So today I'm gonna be yanking out this motor. How long did it take? Less than 2 hours. The foundation was there, but we needed to do a lot of stuff. I think Chuck's 91 GT wrapped up right here, but that's all the little stuff. Let's talk about bigger stuff. Yeah, man, I'm thinking, man, maybe I'll get some swangers next, get some elbows and get the spokes poking.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.